Don't get me wrong, ne? Yazi una something nje, maybe amanzi or yini ephuzwa le Cape Town le. Ene manje bayiphuzise lentwana i1 kuphela. Ayiphuzise lentwana icela ukuyiphuza lentwana babona quick but ngeke lento le siyayifihla isazophuzwa siyayibeka hayi my chance yo Viet boy my chance ayingeke yo and I still don't understand why he decided to go etageni nale team yakhe le ayingeke my chance yo hayi Viet boy hayi Viet boy my chance yo mfethu lentwana le intwana ne mara mayivela ngapha nje vele ngithi awuphuthi Viet boy vele ithi hayi akethi ngithi awuphuthi Viet boy ama chance lentwana ayiyeka hayi kunabantu abayazi ibhola lentwana le ibhola lentwana kwazi ukuthi uNeymar uMessi uRonaldo yo hayi machance aye yo sometimes bathi give whatever when is due isilungu thina sazi mara machance lentwana le I Viet boy ayantshela bro this boy is still going to take South Africa ngazi uphi. And I'm not just saying international wise in just South African name. A lot of people wouldn't believe lentwana ivele South Africa. Yo lentwana noma idlala ibhola ungathi controller ngejoystick. And ubuto control ijoystick ila machis boy angayindawo la waxola solo kamamela ibhola idisk leza zingaspan. Yo ayimnandi le machance. Wow Viet boy give whatever when is whatever lentwana imnandi machance. Woo